All right, we're here with a very special unbox. This just came in the mail and I'm really excited to open it. Now, while I get into this, let me tell you the story and the reason why I'm making a video about this at all. This package is from a previous coaching client of mine named James. And James is now an artist. He's got some great work that he's making and he's available on his website. Now, of course, I shouldn't say that now he's an artist. He's always been an artist. Now his stuff's available. And the reason that I really was excited and decided to make an order is because I looked at what he had, one product in particular, and I said, that is so cool. I gotta have one for myself, and I want to provide it actually to my online training clients. And what I'm looking for in here is these super cool stickers as well as some artwork. So I'm gonna have some stuff for my decorations here in the studio, and then also a cool little extra additional gift to put in for my online health and fitness coaching clients. And I know that that sounds like it's kind of all coming back to being about me, but I think this is actually super cool to be able to support what he's got going on and help to improve the outcomes for my clients as well. So awesome to be able to put it all together and make it come full circle. All right, let's check it out. Cool note. And love the font, man. Great handwriting. All right, very cool. Safe. Nice. So we got a detail camera here. Pretty sweet. A little charcoal print. Awesome details. And I have two of them here, which is going to be a great compliment. Number two. Boom. Together, it's going to be a sweet pairing. And this is going to be great in here with all the dark features of the rest of the room, some light, and with this awesome style, man, that's going to pop. But what I wanted to see, yeah, here we are at the bottom. Cool. Big stickers. White and black, black and white, boom. And I'm gonna find in here, I know the other half of it. Yeah, here we go. Then we also have these. Finished. Finish it. Finished. Man, I'm actually super stoked on this. I'm excited to be able to have this almost as a logo, a label, and a reminder, you know, and I think that's gonna be such an important thing because sometimes if we're a high achiever, you might do something and then you kind of just move on too quickly and you lose that appreciation and recognition for what you've done because you're just looking on to the next thing. And I think that goes right along with people who have health and fitness goals, things they've never tried to achieve before or never been able to achieve before. You can get caught up on the way up of achieving those goals and just immediately looking for the next one without giving yourself that proper recognition of what you have done and what you should get credit for. So finished, that's as a reminder of the things you have achieved and to give yourself credit for that. And then finish it, that's going to be the reminder for doing it. Get out there, finish it, take action, get it done, do what you've set your goals on. And I just love to have the combo here, black on white, white on black, different sizes, different setup all over the place. This is going to be sick. Tons of it. Actually, there's so many in here. Cool. Yeah, check it out. Small ones, big ones. I'm going to have to decide where I'm going to stick those on. Laptop is going number one for sure because I use that thing every day, so I want that reminder. I want that reminder just like I was telling you. Get it done and then also give yourself credit for what you have done. Cool. Check out the business cards. You know, I love being able to connect with solopreneurs, solo entrepreneurs, people who are doing their stuff by themselves because you just get that direct connection with the person. And I think that's cool. It's kind of old school. You know, 800 years ago, if you walked into a blacksmith shop, you would see all the work he had done, and that was his forge and his tools, and you'd have that, you know, that connection with him. Even though it was commercial, I bought this stuff, it's not free. Well, I love knowing it's from somebody that I personally know. And so hopefully we can get actually more of that in the future. more big stickers. These are sick. And I think actually, oh yeah, so it was probably neatly packed in this envelope, but that did not survive the trip. International, or nearly international on the flight, they all came loose. But that's cool. I like being able to see it all apart like this. And I got a t-shirt too. Sweet. Nice. I love the reminder to be able to wear it. And the style detail, upside down eye. Unique. Cool. All right, man, that's sweet. I'm so excited to be able to start to hand these out, because I bought a bunch of these extra stickers, and you're going to see these actually go right into the welcome kit for my online training clients, because just like we talked about in this video, I want them to have the idea, the daily reminder of what they're trying to achieve, their health and fitness goal, what it means for them, why it's important. That should be right there with that sticker, summed up in that single word. And then right next to it, finished, to give yourself the recognition of what you have achieved and the way that that achievement keeps compounding forward. That's going to be hot. I'm excited. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Fits great.